going to proceed to the two-dimensional, but first we need to touch about the moment of a particle. So this is our x-axis, our particle. So the particle is rotated freely in x-axis. So the distance of a particle in terms of x-axis is the particle is y units away to our x-axis. So m sub x is the product of m sub y. In y-axis, so this is our particle. Particle is freely rotate in y-axis. So the particle is x units away from the y-axis. So m sub y is the product of m sub this is x. So m sub y is the product of m sub x. This is the formula to find the x-axis in two-dimensional problem. X bar is equals to my over mass total is equals to total of mass is equals to m1 times x1 plus m2 times x2, so on if we have more than two objects, over m1 plus m2. In y bar equals to m sub x over mt, or the moment the total of the mass is equals to m1 times y sub 1 plus m2 times y sub 2, and so on if we have more than two objects, over m1 plus m2. So this is the example for the two-dimensional problem to find the center of the mass. So find the center of the mass of a system with point masses m1, which is 8 kilogram mass, and m2 10 kilogram, that located at point 2, 6 and 5, 3 respectively. So first, let's graph. So our object 1 is located at 2, 6, which has 8 kilogram mass, and object number 2 is located at 5, 3. So our x-axis is x bar is equals to m1 x times x1 plus m2 times x2 plus if we have more than two objects, over m1 plus m2. So our m1, which is 8, times x1, which is 2, plus m2 10 times x2, which is 5, over m1 plus m2, which is 8 plus 10. So 8 times 2 is 16, 10 times 5 is 50, over 8 plus 10 is 18. So 16 plus 50 is equals to 66, over the total of the mass 18. So 66 over 18 is the same as 11 over 3. So 3.67 in a decimal form. So our y-axis is y bar over m1 times y1 plus m2 times y2, so on, over m1 plus m2. So m1, which is 8, y sub 1 is 6 plus 10 times y sub 2, which is 3, over 8 plus 10. So 8 times 6, which is 48. 10 times 3, which is 30, over 8 plus 10, 18. So 48 plus 30, 78, over 18, same as 13 over 3. So 4.33 in decimal form. So the center is located at x 3.67 and y-axis y.33. So the point is located here. So that's all for this. We are already done about 1 dimension and 2 dimension. So please wait for the next vlog that also related in this topic. Bye bye.